तो देयर आज हम लोग सीखने वाले हैं किस तरह से अपना अकाउंट गिटहब का अकाउंट को किस तरह से अपने प्रोफाइल्स को ऐड करेंगे जस्ट लाइक दिस कि आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं हाय देयर दिस इज माय करंट वर्किंग दिस तो बेसिकली मैंने भी बहुत लोगों का देखा बट मैं भी सोच रहा था कि कैसे अपने प्रोफाइल को इस तरह से अट्रैक्टिव लुक पोर्टफोलियो की लुक दिया जाए तो सिंपली मैंने सर्च किया गूगल पे व्हाट आई सर्च सो बेसिकली आई सर्च कि हाउ आई create my portfolio, how I add my readme.md in the GitHub dashboard as a portfolio. So the first result is giving me managing your profile on readme. So what is the suggestion? So I follow and create the same repo in my project. So simply I click on this link and after he opens this link and I will customize my profile. So basically what I have to do, we follow the same instructions which given in this page. So first of all is saying that कि आप सेम रेपो क्रिएट करो जो आपका आपका जो गिटहब नेम है तो मैं बेसिकली मैं करूँगा साहिल 04 मैंने क्रिएट किया अवेलेबल एंड क्या बोल रहा है कि साहिल 04 स्पेशल रेपोजिटरी दैट कैन यू यूज टू ऐड redmi.md to your GitHub profile. Make sure it is your public or initialize it md read md.md. So there is public and add a redmi.md. So this is enough setup for your portfolio. So now your portfolio GitHub MD file is ready. So what we have to do now, you can edit this README file and you customize. So I will copy some codes or I will use something special here. So I write some, then I will explain one by one. Okay. So now what we have to do now, basically I added some, there is a comment line which I not so in my README. So here I add a h1 tag which is my name with the hi and we write about this line and we use some image on my page redmi.page and I will define myself in this and I will also available create a link and what about I know so I will mention here and I will add my LinkedIn profile here connect with me and after that what we have to do we use some language and tools which I know so I add the image href amazon.com which is aws amazon profile or links. So what is this? So it's look like this. So this is my all things which I use. So this is a basic overview. So here you can see your language where you what you do in your GitHub repo. So basically all this. So what we have to do now, we just add something more, but for that we read the more around instructions. So I follow this all and emoji cheat sheet will copy from there and here it. So we can use all these things to customize my profile or account. तो आई होप आप समझ गए कि एक बेसिक पोर्टफोलियो कैसे बनाएंगे जो लुक लाइक आपको इस तरह से दिखे। आप यहाँ पे इमेज की जगह पे कुछ और डाल सकते हैं। तो बेसिकली इमेज क्या है वो मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ। तो दिस इज एडिट, so this is image URL. You see, if I want to use different image, I will choose. So I will again choose different image link, and I will show you the preview of the link. So it's taking so, so I will change my profile here. So this is all about myself. This is my own 51 commits on 2024 and 8. So this is our basically. So what we have to do next, we change commits changes, update and external we don't need and commit the changes, and these changes will be committed. And when I will click on my profile and it's so me like this. So this is my whole project. If you want to describe, or you want to change your profile, to follow the GitHub basic link of account and profiling. So you customize about profile, organization, personalize, you can see contribution settings, in subscription notification setting you can do here. So I hope you understand this.